Looking for a smarter, easier way to invest in natural resources? TeonGas is here, your personal AI-powered assistant built to help you trade natural gas with precision, without the stress, guesswork, or constant monitoring. Click the link in the description right now to get exclusive early access. Availability is limited, and this is your chance to be among the first to experience TeonGas before it becomes publicly available. Just enter your email on the site, and we'll send you everything you need to get started, including setup guidance and your welcome bonus. So, what makes TeonGas different? At its core, TeonGas is powered by advanced artificial intelligence that constantly tracks global energy markets, analyses live commodity data, and executes trades based on tested, optimized strategies. It reacts in real time, identifying opportunities, minimizing risk, and helping you maximize returns. It's built for simplicity. You don't need to be a trading expert or study charts all day. The platform is clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly, but powerful enough for professionals who want detailed control over their strategy. TeonGas connects directly with top energy and commodity trading platforms. Whether you're trading natural gas futures or diversifying across resources, it's all integrated and ready to go. And because it's entirely cloud-based, there's nothing to install. You can manage your strategy and monitor your results from your phone, tablet, or computer, anytime, from anywhere. But here's the key. Access is currently limited and available only through the link in the description. This is a private early access window, with exclusive bonuses for the first wave of users. Don't miss your opportunity. Click the link, enter your email, and unlock a smarter, AI-driven way to trade natural gas with TeonGas. Smarter energy investing, less stress, more clarity. TeonGas, AI that works for your resources.